Hey guys, do you know using the wrong fixtures in hazardous locations can be seen as having no lighting at all? I got the lighting fixture HA05 here. It has passed IECEX and ATEX certificates. Today I will show you this big guy and let's see whether it's a good choice. Wow! It's super bright and only 150 watt is ideal to replace HPS. By the way, it can improve the visibility and transmit signal by choosing the RGB or amber source. Cool, just some marks. Nothing else can invade it. There you go. It can still work after all the maltreatment. What a tough guy. As I open the chamber, have a close look here. This is a clamshell structure and a self-locking spring terminal design. This is super convenient for wiring, and this multi-conduit hole design is perfect for interconnecting between lights. Besides, this chamber left space to add our power supply and the emergency key. I believe the worker will be happy to see this feature. It's basically a commercial grade product designed vento resistant. Here they are inside too, and I must say it's probably perfect for the hottest locations. What do you think? Leave your comment.